So depending on how tightly the bale wrap is bundled up, it's anywhere from 6 or 7 compressions up to, if you throw the bale wrap in really loose, it can sometimes be like 25 compressions for us to make a 1,000-pound bale of plastic that we can then tie off. The bale will be about up to here in the bale chamber, so it's a pretty solid brick when we're done. It takes about 300 individual round bales to make one 1,000-pound bale ready for recycling. Of course, we also bale silage bags, bunker covers, and then some other ag plastics for recycling.